using determinant method. 6 minus 7x 9 0 3 1 minus 1 minus 5 equal to 0. So same type of example. Here also we have to find out the value of x using determinant method. So again, from given 6 minus 7 x 9 0 3 1 minus 1 minus 5 equal to 0. So take simple calculations, cross multiplication, 0 into minus 5 0, minus of minus 3. Again minus minus plus 7. Again take cross multiplication, minus 45 minus 1 into 3, that is 3, plus x into, again take cross multiplication, minus 9 minus 0 equal to 0. So 6 into 3 plus 7 minus 48 plus x into minus 9 equal to 0. So 18 minus 36. So after subtracting 18 from 336, we get minus 9x equal to 0, or 9x equal to 318, or x equal to 318 upon 9. So take calculation and write down the final answer. So students, by using determinant method, we learned here how to solve the determinant of 3 by 3 order, as well as how you find out the value of unknown by using the determinant method. Now we see the very small application depend on this determinant method. So by using this determinant method, we have to find out the area of a triangle which is lying on the xy plane. So what is that application? So see here, application on determinant. So by using determinant method, we find area of triangle lie in the xy plane. That means this is our xy plane and this is a triangle which is lying in the xy plane. That means here these are the vertices of a triangle. It is suppose x1 y1, x2 y2, and it is x3 y3. Now, how you find out the area of this triangle which is lying in the xy plane? By using determinant method. So the formula is area of triangle ABC is equal to half x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. So this is a formula to find out the area which is lying in the xy plane. Examples: find area of triangle having vertices 4, 3, 2, minus 2 and 1, 6. So, of course, using determinant method. So these are the questions mostly asking for 3 marks. Now here we have to find out the area of this triangle by using determinant method. Now here we draw the diagram. Suppose A 4 3, B 2 comma minus 2, C 1 comma 6. Now here we find out the area of this triangle by using determinant method. Now here the formula. Area of triangle ABC. So write down the formula. x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. Now what is our x1 y1? Of course, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, this is x3 y3. Now put down this value in the formula. So what we get? x1 y1 1, that is 4 3 1. Again another 2 minus 2 1, and this is 1 6 1. So this is a formula to find out the area of a triangle. Okay. Now we simplify by using determinant method. Again we write down plus minus plus 4 into, drop this row and this column, minus 2 1, 6 comma 1. Again minus 3, drop this row and this column, that is 2 1 1 1. Again this plus 1, drop this row and this column, that is 2 minus 2 1 6. So we check it whether it is correct or wrong. 4, drop this row, this column, minus 2 1 6 1. Then minus 3, drop this row and this column, 2 1 1 1. Then plus 1, again drop this row and this column, 2 minus 2 1 6. Now keep this half as it is. Again we simplify, take cross multiplication, minus 2 minus 3. Again minus 3. Again we take cross multiplication, 2 minus 1. Again take cross multiplication, 12 minus of minus 2. So what we get here then? 4 into minus 8, minus 32, minus 3, plus, take addition first, bracket we solve, 14 into 1. So half minus 32 minus 3 plus 14. Of course this is area of triangle. Take calculation. What we get here? Minus 29 plus 14. So what we get here? Minus 35 plus 14. Half. Minus. So here we get minus 21 upon 2. Area is minus 21 upon 2. Now here we get the value of the determinant is minus 21 upon 2. But we know that area never negative. That means area never negative, and therefore we write A is equal to 21 upon 2. So here we get the area is 21 upon 2 square unit. So in such a way, we have to find out the area of a triangle which is lying in a XY plane. So this is one of the example on area of a triangle using determinant method. Now here you have to calculate it. This is a homework problem for you.